Yeah, hi. We are here at the Glasgow Z2 page. Hmm, I already made a few screenshots, and there are from this and from the other. Let's go a bit slower. Rewind, and let's take a look what is going on. Is there anything going on? I would say there is. Do we have this kind of object which is sitting by the sun? I don't know, but it really looks like triggering a CME. Yeah, let's have a look at some screenshots I made earlier. That's all like made today. These are like some of them are already edited in a way that there is probably like this one here, just a part of the picture, and everything what is done to those pictures are like is done with a phone. So the ability to alter pictures in a huge way is, I guess, quite small because I don't have the time, I don't have the nerves to do that. I'm not an artist. I don't want to do it. I just try to pull forward details. That's obviously the first frame, and I don't know. This just doesn't look like it. Now, why is there nothing like that on other parts around the occulter of the sun? Because you have to remember the sun is smaller than this black disk. Yeah, that's a just one time enhanced. We can see some filaments going off probably with those perpendicular features. And we have again, like this is the next frame, at the same place, some activity. Or whatever is going on. And they don't get disturbed by any CMEs or whatever. There's this kind of shapes here and here. It's just interesting. And this kind of chain of objects zipping by here. Yeah, this thing takes pictures every 12 minutes. It should take pictures every 12 minutes. Doesn't. Yeah, I just made somehow like those. I didn't watch them really yet. Would be boring to watch them twice. Yeah, and the question is there anything here? Kind of planetary body which goes really close to the sun. And according to the electric universe theory, something like this would even be expected. According to common theory, It is totally impossible. A little bit hard to say. Is it the black one or the white one? Yeah, and there's action here also. Yeah, these pictures make someone scratch their head. Yeah, and at this spot, there's always something going on. Always. Whenever you go, day and night. Yeah, and obviously, here must be something bright because there's a pixel. And here's a pixel. What are they hiding? That's common, like that these are blended out for whatever reason. Sometimes you see them better, sometimes you don't. And that's now comparison. That's from the other machine. Question is there a planetary body or not? I would say there is, because it just does look like it. And if you leave basically the biggest part of the gravitational theory out of the game, which anyway isn't correct, then you won't be surprised about these kind of things. And actually, that's the size of the sun. And this object seems to be almost as big as the sun. Binary star. Everything is a binary. Is this the thing? It can't be Nibiru. Yeah, I was checking. I tried to watch something. But they didn't leave me to watch it. Area while we work to ensure your data is protected in accordance with applicable EU laws. Yeah, I bet. I bet they care about your privacy too. Like, I don't know what's going on at these places really far away from Earth. Oh, where have you been? Somewhere here. Yeah, that's another picture where you can see on the other side too that there is still something. Somewhere here. Is it in the middle? The question is, if there's an object, why this side is bright and this side is dark. And action going on here. Yeah, and that's also interesting. What's that? There's another one. Is it anything? I have no idea. Just looks interesting. Hmm. Yeah, what to say? There's something going on here too. This thing. Space worm. This area looks somehow photoshopped. Because if you watch the edges, they are really sharp. Like compared to these edges and these edges, they are not the same. I don't know if those two things mean anything and that thing. Submarine. Yeah. An action going on here. Always. Always. Wherever you go there, there's always something going on. Yeah, I tried to pull this forward a bit. Does it have a crater? But somehow, like, if you watch that and this shape, it's really symmetrical. There could be something in the bubble. No, nothing visible. I don't know. I think yes. This was the thing I tried to pull out. Like there's this kind of square forms in a way, hard to explain. Somehow looks strange. Where should be why should there be any squares? I don't know. Just sharing my observations. Let's have a look at the video quickly at the other one too. This one, slowing it down. There's actually an eruption happening here, which could be Earth facing. Yeah, I don't know. Make up your own mind. I just showed my observations I made today. That's also interesting. There is this kind of thing going to the south, at least to some degree. Yeah, there's something coming out of the South Pole, probably. I don't know. Interesting. Yeah, I will leave it here. Thanks.